Hello students, welcome in the class of English language. Hope you all are fit and fine at home. In today's class, I will teach you various kinds of sentences under the chapter Kinds of Sentences. This is your worksheet number 4. Before moving on to our today's topic, please keep the previous one in mind. So let's revise. What is a sentence? Students, tell me what do you see on the screen? Is this a sentence? No. Why? Because it doesn't make any sense. But if we arrange them, it will be a sentence because it has a complete sense. A group of words which make complete sense and expresses our thoughts is a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Example: Neha loves ice cream. This is a sentence because it has a complete sense and it is starting with a capital letter and it is ending with a full stop. Now move to our today's topic, types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. Assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that states or declares something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. It always ends with a full stop. For example, first, I went to the shop today. Second, my name is Jasmine. You can see there is a full stop at the end of the sentences. It shows they are assertive or declarative and they are simple statements. Interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is an interrogative sentence. It always ends with a question mark. For example, first, where do you live? Second, what time did you go to the shop? Here, you can see both the sentences ends with the question mark. If the question mark comes, it means it's an interrogative sentence. Next is exclamatory sentence. When a sentence expresses a strong feeling like wonder, sorrow, happiness, it is called an exclamatory sentence. It always ends with an exclamation mark. For example, first, I feel so sad. Second, today is the best day ever. In both the sentences, you can see at the end sign of exclamation. It shows that it's an exclamatory sentence. Last is imperative sentence. When a sentence gives an order, command, request or suggestion, it is called an imperative sentence. It always ends with a full stop. For example, first, please complete your homework for tomorrow. Go to school now. In both sentences, you can see the first one is a kind of request and the second one is an order. And request and order both are the part of imperative sentence. All sentences begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop, question mark or an exclamatory mark. To speak, read and write, we make use of sentences. I hope you all have understood about different kinds of sentences. Let's revise whatever we have learned in this module with the help of exercise. Put the correct punctuation mark after each sentence and say whether they are assertive, interrogative, exclamatory or imperative. First, the sun was shining brightly. This is a simple statement. So, this is an assertive sentence and we write the full stop at the end of the sentence. Second, why were the dogs barking? In this sentence, there is a question. So, it is an interrogative sentence and we will write the question mark at the end of the sentence. Third, wow, what a beautiful house. This sentence expresses feeling of wonder. So, it is an exclamatory sentence and we will write the exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Fourth, please shut the door. In this sentence, there is a kind of request. So, this is an imperative sentence and we will write the full stop at the end of the sentence. Fifth, who is the monitor of the class? In this sentence, there is a question. So, it is an interrogative sentence and we will write the question mark at the end of the sentence. Sixth, let us play a game. In this sentence, there is a suggestion. So, it is an imperative sentence and we will write the full stop at the end of the sentence. Hope you have enjoyed this module and this will help you to understand worksheet number 4. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.